I was losing sleep at night. I was at that point a few months pregnant with our fourth child and trying to figure out how to best navigate and automate and eventually scale my business. But I've always been very much like, oh, let me DIY this. But eventually you can no longer DIY. Like you got to realize the importance of investing in your business. When I was looking around, just having a business coach to help guide me through the process, somebody that has already been there, even if it's in another industry, there's a lot of transferable understanding of how the fundamentals. And I think a lot of those fundamentals, I realized two things during the Accelerator program: that I didn't know my numbers as good as I thought I did, even though my dad's a CPA. And then a second thing was my processes and systems. That is such a challenge for me. And it just feels like so cumbersome. Like if I just keep chasing my tail and doing the same old thing that I've been doing, in another 2 to 5 years, I'm going to be exactly where I've been. One of the things I really like best about the modules and like taking in the content was the mini like 5-minute videos. So I really like the ease of use getting into your modules and how it drips out over time, so you don't feel so overwhelmed. I want to say thank you so much to all of the mentors and business, Julia is the business coach, and the investors in this program. It's absolutely invaluable as far as the impact on my life, my family's life, and generations to come. Everything that I was hoping to get out of the program, I got above and beyond. And I want to say thank you.